And
Nice.
I can't tell you exactly because Amazon made my like 2024 because I was like levering up on it, buying all Amazon dips, all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I loaded up on Nvidia in the April of 2025 dip for the first time, buying equity
Wow.
in the 90s, and then Amazon is 174 for me.
There you go, baby.
Um,
There you go. Treating those kids right with the trust fund.
I know, right?
Yo, those kids, they're gonna be having a wow. Look at Amazon hitting the 210s. Yeah, that's right. That's
Dude.
right.
Yeah, 2 out of the 3 squeezes fired. Wait, oh, the signal just went off. 15-minute squeeze fired. That's it. If it continues from here, it continues, but all 3 squeezes fired, 5, 10, and 15.
And then right like that. That's crazy.
I don't know. IWM put in that lower high is
50-point
selling.
gain. I'm taking off, or not 50. I'm sorry, 40. 40-point gain. I'm
So
taking
say
off a bunch.
AMP said short, and we're getting a nice pullback.
I just happened to look over and find that NDX whole number up there for a scalp.
Let's see what the NQ chart's looking like. You're short NQ?
It was just a scalp. I covered almost everything right there.
Oh, okay.
See NDX at my level to the tick. Look at that. I didn't get any closer than that.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Look at this. Can you get any closer?
Can you take it closer? Oh my goodness, where'd it go? There it is.
Oh, damn.
What?
How did you friggin' M? You're so funny, dude. I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it. How come I can't see any people on my channel talking? Or I don't know. I can't chat in here. I'll open up my channel.
You got to go to the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You can't chat in the restream. You got to go to the YouTube channel.
Just weird.
We might have just saw the high of day.
I think we're going to see a good, decent dip finally, but I don't think that's high.
Oh, really? That's a strong
pullback.
Yeah, I think that's high of day.
I think we can get a strong pullback right here. I still think we're going to take this high before end of day. SPX 6910, highest level of gamma for target upside for the rejection, just hit. So that lines up perfectly. Decent pullback would take it back down to 68.95. A really good pullback is going to be retest of like this trend line, this area here around 68.86. And then if we do push up and go higher, 69.22, 69.25, I think that would be high of day. If we take out 69.10.
I'm bougie with my Go ahead, sorry.
I was gonna say 608 target hit on Qs and just printed a little reversal right there. So downside looks good. There's still
I build out to take 7 to 8 years, says Jensen.
They're still building the 687 floor on SPY, and they're still building the 690 above on SPY as well. So if we do sell downside, watch for the magnet down to 687, see if buyers step in, we come back up and reclaim, break highs, and 690 I think would be full target for the day. I'll go ahead and mark these on the chart. here and there, essentially. I guess I could have held longer, right?
Sam, Sam's chat's coming in hot. Sam, can you see them on your screen?
I'm on. I have my.
Oh, you have your
YouTube open. Yeah.
your
so
YouTube
I'm
pulled up.
chatting them up. Yeah, I got a few Rugrats in there. Got about 20 people. I mean, I don't usually do trading streams, so this is a little bit new for these guys. Man, that's crazy, man. Iran, that's so funny. So funny.
Oh, I just sent the wrong freaking chart. Gosh dang it. My bad. Hold on. This one. I'm short. If you short Apple, what's the target downside? 275 area would be a safety trim. Start breaking down underneath that. You're low around 273 and then 270. Does an SR flip underneath 270, goes down closer to like 267, 268. If it back tests 270 and rejects, that can give a good pullback down to 265. Underneath that, full target's 262. 690 is increasing on SPY.
Someone full ported NBIS. Ollie.
Let's go. That was the
You must have
person that
taken
bought
those calls. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the one that took those calls.
4 million. That was you. Congratulations. That was a great trade.
That's someone on my channel. There's some
I saw your
DJs here.
entry come in live on the flow and called it out.
Is that Rex? Oh, that is Rex. Nah, he didn't. He just messed around. The Rex wouldn't do that. Midwest, what's going on? Mosh Stocks, Jarrett, Oris, Alex.
I think we have so many channels going that I can't even like put the stuff on the screen right now. This is awesome. Oh, Code Wolf, your favorite prop firm, get the best discount.
A lot of the guys in my channel don't really trade, but it is. I had to show them the legend that called it out last night, man. The legend.
Dude, this is what's insane right here. 11K pop.
Yeah, I mean, like you're saying, it might float back higher, but that risk reward is no longer as strong.
Dude, isn't spreads amazing? Don't you just love them?
Yeah, I'm in the. You're talking about SPX?
I was talking to someone in the Discord chat. They
Oh, okay.
had they took 3 different Amazon credit spreads. Just making money on the back burner, selling options.
There you go.
It is great. Great
Ooh, they are
stuff.
going to take this high. So SPX has room to. I mean, it's hitting resistance here, but it could finish that golden retrace at 69.17.
Let's go. 69.25 is increasing.
Let me.
At 690 on SPY is on fucking fire.
Let me check this.
It is increasing like nobody's business. Fly it to the moon.
There's a lot of overhead supply here, though. We're up almost 2% on the day. I can't look for longs up here.
I'd have Amazon 3%. Yeah, that Rex guy full ported Transmedics from like $50 all the way to 140. And I think he scaled out. And I think he went into the cruise lines or something before that ran up. I don't know. He's wild. Some rich people from
Barbershop. He was cheering for downside earlier.
No, this is a ridiculous uptrend right now.
I don't know why our graphics and our chat's not working on this restream because I think too many people are here, which is a great problem to have. I'm not complaining. I mean, the way today is gone. What is my portfolio? My portfolio is probably up crazy today.
I don't know, man. Mercado Libre is not doing good right now.
That's literally the only thing holding me down.
Yeah, Mercado Libre. I don't know why. I haven't checked the news, but everything's up.
Meta,
Everything.
well, I own some Amazon too, so that's not helping. Airbnb is down, Uber's down,
SPY,
Amazon.
new high of day.
Wow.
Ooh.
Let's go. We ain't done, baby.
It's definitely not done.
We ain't done. I ain't hear no bell.
Yeah, my portfolio's up 2.2. I'm beating the market. That's good, I guess. That's just equity.
All
And
right.
my trading stuff, I don't know what I'm up over there. Oh, fuck. They're selling everything in the planet right here. Where's NQ? Where's what's 2% up on the day give us? That would be 131 is a 2% up day. We'll probably look to short up there. And is that
I'm going to take a starter position on the PFE.
They're starting to sell the futures a little bit again. Let's see. Go to these daily charts real fast. What's the Mag 7 doing? Tesla almost to target. Still got some room. Nvidia full target hit. Poor Netflix. Microsoft's going to take some time, but it did fill this daily gap finally. Meta's the confusing one here. Meta was the one that I was probably most interested in today until it acted the way it did. Google's kind of a no man's land. Costco. Okay. Broadcom, I think, has a chance if the market gets some legs to really make a move back to 350. Amazon 210.
Wow, there you go. Those were like 5 cents earlier.
All right, I'm about to smack this golden retrace.
Oh, let's fucking rip it, Spy!
Right
Woo!
here. I'm buying
Last
right
day,
on
baby!
6,900 SPX.
There we go. All right, 689.54. Dude, that 690 the last like 15 minutes was getting lit up like a freaking Christmas tree. Tesla about to make new highs.
Short.
I give Amazon
about
was
to-
down 10% earlier. That's crazy.
About to head to lunch.
Where's NDX? Still at the same level. Okay. Amazon. Oof.
Wow. Wow.
AMD new high. I'm gonna start scaling in short on NQ here too. Oh, Google's getting a pop though. It's just getting like overextended at this point. It's a tough call, but Amazon is pushing. I haven't had a really good topping. Oh, I got in on. Should I try the
That's a crazy comment.
Did you just not read it? I can't even put them on the screen
I
anyway,
just saw
so
it. I just saw it.
no hand screening is crazy.
Dude, I need
Jordy
my
is
goon
locked
goggles
in.
for that, bro. Dude,
Get
I've been
those
locked
goon
in.
goggles on.
Sorry. But you guys are killing it. Keep
Good
killing
God,
it,
I'm
baby.
down 900K year to date.
Dude,
What? What are you trading?
no, they're from my channel. They're from my channel.
This is a long-term portfolio. Oh.
Yeah, the long
Let
term.
me guess.
There's
MSTR, BMNR,
I know.
IONQ, Rigetti.
That sucks. You know, if there's something I could say to all the people on my channel, because I know they're part of like the whole, the retail crowd, is that like don't follow these cult stocks unless you do your own due diligence and like have stops on it. If like just have stops. There's just I remember BMNR, man. I got out at 50 and I got back in at 40 and got out at 40 because I got stopped. And I tried again at 30, got out at 32. But like that was it after that. Right? Just the real Bitcoin trade is crypto, period.
It's
That's it.
Bitcoin.
It's
you're
not,
trading.
it's not BMNR, like a proxy of it. Like, that's not what it is.
AST or whatever it is.
ASST, Strive,
AST.
Scam.
AST up 12% today, down. Best since on CNBC right now. Down 45% last month. In oh my God, 6 months down 83. Everybody starts talking about a stock, I immediately am like, fuck. But even if I like it, like I hate when everyone starts like talking about a stock that I'm in. I'm like, dadgummit.
Emperador,
Sure.
or excuse me, it's Ryan.
Ryan.
And before I go grab a quick lunch, do you mind if I throw this chart up on the screen real quick?
Please.
It's just going to give a little bit of a breakdown as to why I kept buying this thing over and over again this morning for this move upside. So here's SPY chart this morning. Going into the day, I wanted to see SPY break back above where it says equilibrium right down here, and it lines up with where this level is, which is going to be around the 680 area. If we broke above this, I want to see the move back up to previous day high. So one cool thing with SPY this morning on why I bought the dip 4 different times is everyone on their chart should have the daily trend line on both SPY and QQQ. Everyone's been watching, right? That trend line bounced perfectly where we caught longs, right? At the bottom down here on Wednesday session. Going into Thursday session, you will see they broke underneath of it. They retested it and rejected. They slammed it down and we went lower, right? If you highlight that same area where previous day high is, which is going to be that thin blue line right up here from Lux Algo, right? Previous day high, look where the trend line was this morning where it ran through. Big green candle, all they did was SR flip, break. We went to 685, 686 target. We took the short scalp down. When it back tested your intraday EMAs, your 9 and 21 EMA. So you have your orange line right here. The white line running diagonal, that's the daily trend line. Your previous day high is the little blue line that is right there. And then the SR flip zone overall in its entirety right there as well, number 4. There was 4 different reasons why every time on this candle here, I bought it, took it back up here, came back down, I did it again. Third time and fourth time, I bought it every single time on these candles to take it back up to these highs until we finally got a break in base over 687. And now I'm targeting for a continuation move to 690. So it's not just us being like, we've been selling for 4 days. We finally deserve, a big move higher. There is technicals behind this move today on SPY looking at the chart. It was nothing more than getting the move from the buyers, but pulling back and retesting and holding these areas after they broke it and accepted back over that daily trend line. It was absolutely beautiful to buy the dips this morning to catch this move upside. That is the reason on why I was very, very bullish this morning, and I just kept going along and buying things down there. So just wanted to put a picture to all of the words from this morning. And that's my spiel. And with that being said, QQQ, new high a day, about to go hit 609 before SPY tech 690. Very close, very close. SPX not wanting to reject the 69.10 and give that big pullback, which is good. So now we want to see it go here. Again, 69.25 there. So I would still like to see just continuation up until we hit that area.
All right, dog. Dude, what are all these orders up here at? Holy shit. 175, 180.
I'm trying to create my thumbnail right now for this. Trying to look for some pictures of Casey, Jordan, and Emp.
What are you looking for, Sam?
Can you send me the Canva link you have for the thumbnails? So I'm just gonna steal what you got, and I'm trying to find one for Casey.
I need a picture of KC. He's a good looking guy. Just put it on my desk.
You have plenty of them. I send you them every night.
No.
No.
The clothes on, man, not the special ones. I don't want to put that in there.
Sam,
Wait, he sends you
in
special
Slack.
All right, I got it. Thank you.
I thought those were just for me.
No. He played you like a violin.
Here's 2% up on the day.
See, right up here. This is that's where we should go. Right there. Try and clean this up a tad bit, but
Got it. Thank you very much. I like M's face in this. So good. Thoughts on NBIS?
so fucking long.
Yeah, it's doing what it does.
If you're in it, you're in it. If you're not, you missed it.
That's the only thing I say. NBIS. I love this bounce. Trust me, I love it. It's just, we were bound to get it at some point. We had like how many red days in a row? We're sitting back over here. If I look at the NBIS chart, we're still below the 9 EMA. on the daily, the 21 EMA, and the 50 EMA. So it's not like entirely bullish, and it's still a massive downtrend here. Like it's not. You had a bounce, right? But it's still a lower high, so you need to make some recovery for a trade. Long-term wise, we did bounce up the 200-day moving average. That was bullish. We closed below it yesterday, but obviously the market's up, so you're going to get that bounce action on NBIS, and it is nice to see. But we had a lower high. The all-time high was 140, 142, and then it went down and came back up to make a lower high at 134, and then it did it again at 110 recently, and then that's. For a trade, like I would not buy this chart, but if you're like long-term bullish, I would probably wait. If you get some more weakness, I wouldn't buy it right now after a 17% move.
I'm gonna go grab a quick lunch, Emp, if you want to throw your chart back up on there. Unless you want
just
to
hit the-
just leave
we
this
just
on
hit
there.
two-
But
No, I got it. We just hit 2% up on the day.
QQQ just
So-
hit the level. It's
And we hit exactly to this golden retrace right here.
if you are looking for shorts, it is up in this area.
I'm already in them.
Grab your shorts.
All right.
Make sure you put on 2 pairs of underwear underneath your shorts just in case it goes against you, and accidents happen. But
I'm gonna have to do 3 pairs.
Off.
Gonna have to do 3 pairs right now, just in case.
Please take your tray tables and put them in the upright and locked position.
I know. Where's Eva? She would have had a blast with this today.
Expect a 17-point drop on SPX from here.
All right, I entered 5 MNQ at 113.
My average is 108.
Oh, that's a nice one. We couldn't even get to the 100-day in the Qs.
Y'all ready for this?
Oh, quick 20 points right there.
Sniper!
I'm trying to look at all of Casey's streams. He had a shot of him, but you know what? I'll take one of these. I'll steal one of these.
Just go to his X and click on photos, and between all the charts there'll be a picture of him somewhere.
Oh. Let's see here.
Gotta be a selfie somewhere.
That's right, with the kids.
A 2x Nevius. Does leverage shares have-
Go ahead, sorry.
I think leverage shares has a 2x Nebius. I can't remember.
Yeah.
It does. NBIG. NBIG. Shout out leverage shares. Stream sponsor.
There you go.
They got so many 2x leverage. I mean, this is what I was looking at buying last night. The only one I really got into was the coin COIG. Boy, there's so many.
Yeah, that IREG did really well. Maybe I sold too soon, but it's all good. It's all about the long game.
What's up, Dougie Dalla? I know you guys can't see. Restream's not working right today. Like, I can't put chats on the screen anymore. I don't know what happened, but I see Dougie Dollar.
Dude, yeah, you
Over
can't
in
see the
Sam's
prop firm
chat.
codes at the bottom. Nothing. It's all fucked
None
up
of our
today.
graphics. Yeah, none of our graphics are working. If I even
Long,
if I do this,
6,900 SPX
Cook.
I'm already in them.
zeros at
I got in them at 4.9.
I'm
No,
in him
4.0. I'm sorry, I got 4.0.
at $4.
Yeah, I sniped them.
I'm in at 450.
What are you in?
SPX 6,900.
6,900 zeros.
Oh, you bought the puts. Wow. I'm still in those call credit spreads. I'm pretty sure I'm underwater in them though.
Sam, check this view.
Hold on. Did you guys move? All of you guys moved?
Me and Evan are in this apartment right now. Sniper was supposed to come down and meet us too, but I don't know.
Oh, that's dope. I'll
Look
bring
at
the
that
family down
fluorescent
sometime.
water, dude. It's amazing. Yeah, you got it. Definitely.
Oh, we are seeing a little bit of a bounce here.
Oh, Brent, with the 3 months on the wall. Let's go, baby. 3 months he's been a member of the Wolf Pack. If this goes to 24,950 MNQ, I will get 5 subs. Let's go get it there, baby. Oh, and we got a $5 super chat from Dougie. Just a
Nice.
$5 because my bro can't say my name right.
Ah, thanks, man. Appreciate it, Doug. Yeah, no, it's Dougie Dallas. Dougie Dallas.
Dougie Dallas.
Nah, it's Dougie Dallas, but it looks like Dougie Dallas. Even when I went to the
Shout
Omni
out
thing,
to
he was
all
there.
y'all.
Yo, shout out to Dougie.
Oh, Dougie Dollars. I didn't even read
know,
it.
right?
I just heard you say it, so I said it. It's Dougie Dollars.
I know.
I got you. I didn't know what you were saying there for a second. That's funny.
I made the same mistake.
Funny.
I made the same mistake.
Sexy.
Jordan, I'm sorry I was on mute. Colin wants the view.
Oh, I got you.
Give us the view. Hold
Here,
on, I'm gonna
throw
make
it
it
up on the
big.
big screen. Yeah. There we are, baby. Look at that beautiful water.
It's dredging barrels.
Dude,
It's
dude, look at the
dredging
reef
barrels.
freaking out there, bro, dude. There's fucking barrels out there. Literally, I was zooming in.
Pitted.
Dude,
We're getting
I was zooming in
pitted.
on my phone so I could see it. There's the lagoon, too, over there. Little lagoon.
Oh, look, Pizza
And then
City.
everybody. Pizza City's down there, bro. Somewhere. I think it's actually the other way, but regardless.
Rugged.
Oh, rugged. Looks like Miami for real. Basically
It
is
does look
just
like Miami.
just a lot less influencers. A lot less fake money too. There's actual money down here.
Yeah.
Miami's a bunch of
People that
fake
actually,
ass
the people that actually made money and went to escape
money. They
taxes.
go to Puerto
are down
Rico.
there.
They don't go to fucking Miami, bro. Like Miami's cool. Don't get me wrong. I love Miami, but like PR is elite.
Yeah.
Miami's not.
Have you gone
elite.
to the Walmart yet? It's 2 stories.
Wait, what? Here?
Dude, go to Walmart tonight. It's
Dude,
like
I'm going to
10 minutes
Walmart.
away
What the
from you.
fuck?
Dude, it's got
Oh,
two
shit, I'm
stories.
going.
It's got this little conveyor belt, like not an escalator, but a conveyor belt escalator that takes you up to the 2nd floor.
Oh shit! I'm going.
Yeah, it's sweet.
I've been to the IKEA. That shit's huge. You thought IKEA at home was big? Oh my gosh. No. Come out here. It's insane.
Whoa, look at Amazon pullback.
PR for this.
Colin said, I've got the same view in Indiana in BFE.
Oh shit. Don't worry, Colin. You just tell me anytime and I'll bring that up on my screen so you can see it. Don't worry. I got you.
I bought some February 11th 270 Apple puts starters.
Let's go.
70 cents.
Oh, do I trim here?
Ooh, woo,
There it is. 25 point. I just trimmed 25 point gain.
I sold one. I had an offer in there. That was quick.
I'll take a couple off. 3 more left.
Yeah, I'm with you, Frank. I trimmed a little bit there.
Yeah, I gotta be honest. I mean, I love this bounce, but nothing's really changed. It's a technical bounce, so I'm not gonna press any
just
longs
wait.
here.
Do you think anybody really wants to I mean, it's short covering. Maybe some people dip buying a little bit, but it's a lot of short covering. And then, I mean, what are the chances we wake up to bombs in Iran tomorrow morning?
No, it's not gonna. And if that happened, that would be bullish. That would be very
If
bullish.
he's gonna, it would be a dip that you buy after it happens.
Bullish.
But the point is, Trump's not going to do it while the market's open.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
Short gold at 49.95. Actually, a little higher. It's little stops. 49.95.90. Oof.
Midwest says PR is beautiful.
It is.
It's actually
Wolf
just
meetup's in
boosting my
August.
serotonin. To be honest, it's genuinely I've always lived by the water or near it for the most part, but I don't know.
Dude, you lived on the water.
Yeah, I did, but it didn't look like this. The water didn't look like this, bro. The water's green there, dark green. It's gross, it's beautiful, but I don't know. Being here is bringing me a lot of joy. So, why are you so white then, Jordan? Because I'm not getting outside enough. But hey, I will say, I'm not as white as I was, bro. I was pasty, and I don't feel like the camera does much justice at all. But we're not as pasty anymore. I look like I got a little life to me now.
So you officially moved out of California?
Yeah, I'm gone, dude. I don't have any of my shit.
Probably a good idea.
Yeah, I agree. I fucking hate California. The only nice thing about it is family and friends are there and the weather's good. Other than that, nothing good comes from there.
Yeah, so I'm just paying for taxes. That's all I'm paying for.
But
It's all right. The
that
rest of
weather
the U.S.
is a lot.
thinks you Californians for subsidizing.
That's all we're doing.
Frankie, I'm going to close these because I don't want to get burned out on premium.
I'm going to give him a little time.
I'll get back in them later. And I'm moving my stop down. I took off half at 25 point gain. I'm just going to move my stop down. There's plenty of time to get back in this trade.
Them peptides help? Yes, they do. Well, my facial hair is dark now. My facial hair has never been dark.
Yeah, I just stopped
The
out.
Milano tan.
Same here.
Were you short there?
Yeah, I still think it can be a short, but I'm not going to sit here and fight it. I'm going to wait. Or you just get in small here and just let it sit here because you probably don't close higher than here.
What peptides? All the above, No, just joking. Yeah, a little collagen. Yeah, little BPC, 157, little Milano tan. Makes me do this. Yeah.
All right, I took the thumbnail on. Let's go.
Let's go. Markets just went boring. If you're bored, go to our YouTube channel and go to the shorts section. I'm cranking out a ton of great content. Go there. Go watch the short videos. Stay entertained. We got a lot of content. Or you can see it on the X profile or the TikTok or the Instagram Reels, wherever you're at. But I would say most of you are just sitting here on the YouTube chat, so go over to the shorts and check them out.
Oh wow, Santa all the way back to $88. That's interesting.
Boris said, Jordan, I'm always one of your 200 views. Thank you, Boris. That means a lot, my man. I appreciate you. I'm always going to think of you every time when I'm looking at my low view count now, and I'm going to be like, at least Boris was there. You know? At least Boris was in there. I know.
You guys
what are you cranking, Jordy? I'm cranking out content, bro. What's up, Sam? Sorry.
You guys got 325 on your channel. Shout out to those guys.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing.
Oh, Bitcoin's back below 70.
Yep, you got to take profits.
I use no hands, always. Wait, you guys use your hands?
Got away, I'm away, got me in a trance.
Nice.
No way. No way you guys use your hands.
With no hand. Girls, drop it to the floor.
Hey!
Yeah, you got the ad-libs, yeah.
Waka.
Oh, man. In them jeans.
Sam, did you see my hat?
Bro, I'm gonna get you fuckers in the club with that song one of these days, bro. I'm gonna get all the dads
We were.
in the club. KC2.
We were, and we
KC2.
That happened 15
no.
years ago, Jordan.
No, bro, you guys are staying next time, dude. That was so funny. I look back and I just see Sam, and I don't even see M because he's already out of the building. I just see Sam, and he's like, "Yeah, we're out of here."
Bro, I could
in
not
a pit of people, bro. Oh,
Jordan roped us into going to some stupid college bar.
Dude,
it was like,
that was a good time. You should have waited till we went to the back room. It was all quiet. We were having good.
I couldn't even find you, dude. There was 3 skinny ass rooms that looked like we were in a phone booth, trying to walk between these people, and me and Sam went front to back twice trying to find you, and then we were like,
well, I saw him.
Dude, that was the only place I should be, standing at the bar. What do you mean?
There was 4 bars, Jordan.
Yeah, I bought 4.
And
I
there was
bought 4
bad.
at 380. Sold them at 445. I'm out of everything now.
Nice.
I kind of want to get back in them.
Pullback.
I'm going to see
a bit of a
him
pullback here.
There's a swing on the 900. It traded at 345. It's crazy. I'm short futures. I just noticed I'm short. Where am I short? 15. Come on, dump it.
I mean, you're up exactly 2% on QQQ. That's a algo target.
Come on, dump it. Dump it.
Get down to the 21.
Dump it. Dump it to 75.
You got to get through the 9s. Stupid thing.
I covered a third. Short 9. Cover my gold. I just noticed. This is someday come up like bits and pieces, but
yeah, it's just little pop shots here and there, but they're great.
I'm just trading my personal account. It's fucking awesome. Once you get those fucking other accounts out of the way, they're a pain in the ass. They really are. I let one go one day and I had such a big profit. I had to make $18,000 to get underneath the number, the consistency number. Like, that's ridiculous.
Yeah,
So I
been
can
there.
take 2,500 out or 3,000. It's just. But these new accounts without consistency, it's much better.
Wow.
Come on, shoot it down. Shoot it down.
Woo. Are you still short NQ?
Yeah.
I'm just scalping
I
in
covered
and
a
out.
third. I'm short. Come on, get down to 70. 75.
So you can get down here to like 65, 66. Get away moving.
I'd like to see it go to 2,500 and get long. Come on. Drop it. Take another third in. I'm short a third. That's 3.
Oh, somebody said they're shorting gold. Ooh, big down candle in gold. Nice.
I covered my gold. I should have called some, but
There's
gold's
a
in
reversal.
it's in a pattern. It's kind of hard. You get all kinds of chances to short gold. Just got to be patient. I shorted 95.10.
Here we go.
There we go. There we go.
Those 6,900s are at 515. That would have been. I shouldn't have sold those. Should have kept some. Let's see.
Big bounce. It's too early to roll over.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
That's why you kind of get in and get back out.
Yeah, you got to take it.
You come back up here again and get a little wick up in here again, and you just do it again. And you hit extension targets. You hit 2% up on the day. What else do you want?
I lost $15 in that trade.
What?
Sold 60.
How did you?
No. I re-entered. I re-entered it.
Oh, you did a second one.
Yeah, I did a second because I got it originally like 87 from what was it, 13, and I re-entered at 91. But my fills are bad. I need to use my IBKR or my Ninja Trader if I'm going to be trading futures. Oh, there we go.
I find that in futures, you got to let it come to you and execute you, not try to just put a short or a long on.
Yeah, no, that's 100%. That's 100% facts. Last night, though, it didn't matter.
Last night was ridiculous.
It did not matter last night. I just went long. That was it.
Dude, I was like 100 points underwater at one point buying the dip.
Last night was crazy.
I started buying at like 330, and I just was like slowly averaging down.
I was buying last night when it was when I messaged you, but it was after we already recovered 590 on the Qs, and it was just I was scrolling through Twitter. People were just bearish. People like gave up. Iran's down 25%. It's just, and they were seeing recession calls and everything. It's like, no, this is too much.
It was the bottom.
Yeah, this is way too much. And
At least a relief bounce, at minimum. Like I don't say whether it's a bottom or top, whatever. I mean, how often is a market going into a recession with transports, Dow Jones, industrials making new all-time highs?
Yeah, no,
like,
it doesn't. It doesn't.
There's a broadening out in the market right now because everyone chased AI for 2.5, 3 years, and now they're spreading out the money into other places. You had a lopsided market for a long time.
But the follow through on this move in tech, what's basically led the market up, it's hard to signify right now whether it's going
to everyone said it was over last night. We're 1% away, 1.2% from all time high.
Yeah, it was very bearish yesterday. Very bearish.
I mean, can we at least be down like 5-6% before people start calling for recession and market corrections? I mean, after this day, what was it, Monday, Tuesday afternoon, I was like, yeah, this is going to be bad for a little bit. Where does it come back to? Well, we also regained that trend line. Undercut it and regained it at the exact low today.
Someone asked, what do we think of the VG chart?
The chart?
Well, looks pretty good.
The chart looks good.
Yeah.
It's
finding some support in the 9 EMA on here, actually, which is good. Actually, this looks really bullish.
So you've tried to get into the gap here 1, 2, 3, 4 times basically. Once you get over $10, this thing should move to like 11.5 pretty quick, and then you see if you can get up here to 12.5. This is good structure though. It's kind of got the little inverse head and shoulders with the neckline. You could also say it's like a little cup and handle type of look. And then you start adding in the other stuff. If they ever get that, whatever that lawsuit thing that they've been fighting, if they get that cleared up, I don't know. This is, you gotta ask Chris about this one, but Sam walked away. But the fundamental side of things, I know Chris, Sam knows because he's chatted with Chris about it a lot, but Chris is the one that knows way more about this than I do from the company side, but just the chart structure here is good. Yeah, something like this would look good. Just continue to ride your EMAs. If you get a pullback to the 20 day or the 21 EMA, either one, probably a good spot to take a shot. Nice volume shelf here. $15-minute looks a little interesting. Move my magnet over. You shall not pass. We're still holding the 9 right here. I don't like that on the 5-minute chart for ES and SPX. I know we're fighting with it here, but really you need to see like it come down, get into the 21, get bought back up, come up here and fight at the 9, and then try to do something like this if you're looking for a rollover. But the trend is so strong. Like you could tell what me and Frank are doing. We see it get overextended to a level away from the 9. You get in it. You start to see some sellers. You get in it. You scalp it. You get out quick and put your stops in profit. or you just literally wait for 2% up on the day, which is also like, for example, right here, this is the half extension of your first hour move. So your IB, initial balance, first hour, here's half of a standard deviation move outside of it. You also had that as confluence there. SPX also golden retrace from the move down. There's a lot of things to see here. Let's try this. There. So here's your swing high, your swing low yesterday, golden retrace, zoom in. You're getting upper wicks right on it. And you got a little shooting star candle there. But nothing too confirmed. And I have like enough profit that I could play like little scalpy moves and be fine, but I don't really want to like just risk profit taking a short up here and just hoping that we get back to here at some point today. But I do think that's what plays out. What is that? Xenofrags? Is that what I'm seeing? Xenofrags. Frag out!
Frag out!
That John
Yeah,
Morant
good.
celebration.
That was good.
That's what I usually do. And if I hit a big short trade, that's what I use. John Morant. Oh.
That's me when I look at my long-term portfolio in a drawdown.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I am not. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
No, you're good.
I was going to
It's
say,
funny.
'cause someone asked if we should buy the dip on Snowflake, and I'm not going to buy Snowflake. That's not even a bounce. I don't even know what that is. Look at the chart.
You have a
No.
you have a narrative. So
No.
Yeah, it's not a buy.
I mean, there's and that's the volume point of control right there. The highest amount of accumulation is right where it bounced, 157. The problem is you have a narrative issue right now, which a narrative issue is much different than, hey, the stock had some bad earnings, it needs to shake off. You have an entire sector that has a narrative issue, and you need that to like get shaken off. And like some stocks just have a narrative, like Adobe. Adobe has a narrative issue. No matter what they do, CRM, narrative issue. Even if it's a cheap multiple valuation, whatever, if it's a good business, solid fundamental business, whatever. When the market's doing this and your chart's doing this, what did I just draw on the screen? Market's doing that, your chart's doing this. Should tell you everything you need to know.
We're right on the 50-day on ES. But that's
Look,
a different contract. So yeah,
look at
IGV.
IGV.
Terrible.
IGV can't even, low volume, but it can't even, it's an inside day. We're engulfing on everything else. We can't even get to yesterday's highs. And look, compare that to even tech itself. Huge bounce move. The S&P is insane. What, the Dow hit 500? I bet YM must have broke 50K. Oh, it did. Nice. Oh, yum. Adur. I see you, Nate, in the chat. Aduro Clean. I feel like these guys came on some of my spaces.
Who?
Aduro Clean. I think they came on one of the small cap spaces, like the CEO.
Yeah.
I think we had an interview with them.
Yeah, there was an interview with that one.
I mean, you've got a rising 200-day that just caught up and basically bounced off of it 3 times, reclaimed. At 12.23, I remember being a big spot for some reason. You really need back over that. The chart's fine. I mean, because like you're still kind of in an uptrend, higher lows. You know, this is like basically equal lows, but I don't know. I just see like kind of a failed W. A W should stop here and do this. You get a W pattern. That's the W playing out, but then it needs to stop. It didn't stop. But big picture is fine. What's the weekly? Yeah, weekly's still fine. You're getting a bottom wick. Buyers are. Yeah. So, I mean, without remembering the rest, like any catalyst or anything that's going on, I mean, this is still a normal retrace. And then now you're like consolidating. So big move up, retrace it back, and then you're consolidating here, but you're making higher. I mean, obviously not this one, but since you pulled back, then you've made this and then a higher high and basically a higher low. So yeah. Let's see, was that MongoDB?
Yeah,
MongoDB?
that's another software one too, right? That's another software stock.
Yeah.
In the same field as Snowflake. This one is
So this
more. Yeah, go ahead.
I was going to say, just from a chart structure, this right here is fine. There's your volume point of control. This is a special EMA that I use that nobody else uses. So, or somebody out there uses it because I see reactions to it. But either way, this is this is a decent look for a bottoming when you get that kind of action. It opened up here today, pushed down and found buyers. There's not a whole lot of volume behind this, but this is still a good spot to hold. I mean, I think you can set your risk reward here pretty easily on what it needs to stay above. And you're oversold, so you try to get an oversold bounce up into this area. Apple, hold on. OpenAI delays phone product. OpenAI delays phone product is the headline right now. HBM storage is the. OpenAI is going to ship headphones and not a phone. That's what they just said. They're not going to do the phone, but they're going to try to just do headphones first. OpenAI. And there's, obviously potentially positive catalyst for Apple if people are worried about competition from OpenAI. But yeah, MongoDB, the charts, the chart's okay. It's not like super great, but it's not bad. Same thing like Sam was saying, it's software. What do they actually do?
So they have a NoSQL or a non-relational database that they basically, you have a lot of legacy applications, but you still use them, which is good. The thing is that they were coming off of like very slow growth as far as Atlas DB, and they're accelerating it. So it's always going to be good for software, but they're still not a profitable company. I believe they are free cash flow positive, but this is software. So, this is probably one of the better picks in the software industry, but IGV is barely bouncing. You're not really going to have any outlandish bull move in software today. You really need that narrative recover in order to find some momentum back in the upside. Software is all about momentum. It's not the way the stock moves is momentum, right? But even on a valuation perspective, MongoDB it's pretty expensive. When this was below $200 or below 200s, that was a better buy. But now they've priced that in, and analysts have basically re-rated their forecast, and the stock is basically double that. So it's not. There's better software stocks out there. There's better companies out there to buy. I can't believe Google's red. Wow. Oh, it was green.
Yeah, I was about
yesterday.
to.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's take a look through here. I mean, Tesla's still fine. I mean, Tesla had a big move today. Nvidia hits like this is all your targets here. 185 to 184. This zone. It's fine. It's consolidating at the highs. No problems there. Netflix is doing nothing today. Microsoft kind of can't figure it out. It needs to stay above this. This is where it filled the gap on the daily. Who just joined? Oh, Frankie's back. Meta and Google were the two strong ones yesterday. So to see, people kind of leaving them alone or maybe taking some money out of there and pushing it to the other mags is fine. It makes sense, I guess. So I just don't expect much out of either of those two today. Broadcom, we heard how much CapEx is being spent by Google especially. I wouldn't be surprised to see Broadcom continue to get a bid. We looked at it earlier, but it's strong today. Kind of makes sense. Amazon, like I said, so I went to like this, or you just go to like an hourly chart, really. Let me get a 4-hour chart. So the most recent lows here were at like 210 and change. So when you got to 210 and change here, you saw some profit taking. So normal back test. Here's your daily look. Just make this easy. When you got back to basically that low there, you saw some profit taking. And you zoom in, look at that. You zoom in down to like a 15-minute or 5-minute, exactly where that previous daily low was. Right. Apple's pumped in the morning. It's just been fading all day. Frankie, you had in some of those Apple puts, didn't you?
Yep, I just sold them.
Nice.
I just sold them at
Nice.
25%. I was getting bored. And I looked at the chart and I'm like, yeah, it'll probably, but like 270 is going to get there by next Wednesday.
I mean, the way this daily looks, you probably do come back to like 275, maybe even down here at 268.
Yeah. So
Depends what the market. There's so many things that it's like depends what the market does.
Exactly. So it's the end of the week. It's been a great week.
Ooh.
I mean, it's been like ridiculous weeks for all of us. So like, why just go flat? We may have something going on over the weekend. Initially, if they start getting crazy Saturday, we'll see the market open down and then rally. But this isn't going to be a 3-day thing. This isn't going to be like the hammer. This is going to be weeks and months.
I don't know what's going on with Microsoft.
It's going to be an issue.
SPY new high of day. IWM new high of day. Microsoft taking a dump though. Sam, have you told your channel about the greatest company in the world?
Walmart.
Oh,
Yeah.
man, we just do tech stocks. We don't do this.
This is a tech stock. It's in the NASDAQ.
Walmart came up last night in the conversation.
I heard some guy talking about
Yes.
Walmart last night. He's wrong.
No, Walmart's a great company, but I'm not in it, so I don't want to be in it. I'm good.
What were you saying, Frank?
It's not just some guy. You know who it is.
Yep. But here's the thing. Walmart's the greatest company on earth. And they're like so flexible. Like people don't stop going to Walmart. They can do grocery delivery if they want. They have a better pickup system for groceries than anybody else because of the amount of land they have. They have their own distribution center.
Did they split?
Yeah, it split last year or 2023, I think.
Let me see. I gotta look at the.
It did like a 3-for-1 split, I think. I think it was like 180 and it split to 60 or something like that.
Yeah, Tiger Woods my brother.
Sam Woods.
Just pushing new highs today, huh? Just pushing new highs.
Yeah, it's trying to catch Berkshire. It's almost there.
No, I'm talking about the market. Should I be worried about these call credit spreads at 35? It's another 20 points on.
Do you think we ripped
SPX.
through the 20-day at 25?
I don't know. I mean, the juice is being sucked out of it, that's for sure, because of the premiums. Like every minute that goes by.
Like that would be that'd be a 2% up day exactly if we hit that.
But yeah, we are on SPX. Like we're literally at a confluence. Oh no, sorry, I was looking at the 30-minute. Oh wow, we're back above the 21 EMA.
Microsoft's just dying now out of nowhere.
I took Apple puts for a swang a little bit ago.
Yeah, that's funny. We were just talking about that. What'd you take? 260, 265s or something?
So you can either do 270s for February 20th. I went with also 255s for March 20th for a swang. Just in case. So you can catch the February contracts. You can probably day trade those. If we do sell and make a new low, come down to 273, potentially 270 target. And then underneath 270, bigger picture, if it continues to bleed, I'd rather be in the March contracts for those 255s.
I had the 270s for next Wednesday. I took them off at 25%. I just felt like I was in the wrong strike. It was too short dated.
Yeah.
I think you're right. You got to go out a little further. March is February 20th.
Yeah, the February 20th 270s, I just sent them out a little bit ago. They were just around like 248, 250, and that's the same price that the 255s for the March contracts were. So I really like those March ones for potential swing, slow bleeder pullback on Apple maybe next week. Be easier to hold and manage those contracts. SPY new high a day. Let's go.
Yep.
I still want to go short. I got some contracts pulled up for next Friday. Just looking to be patient and hit this target upside.
I think get more into the afternoon, you'll start seeing some hedging and profit taking.
I think so as well. I would like to see a decent little flush pullback intraday before close.
And my problem is I'm up too much.
Too much money.
Too much sauce.
Too much sauce. Lulu's sitting back down near the lows, so still feeling good with those puts. PFE sitting just back above previous day high. Those are still looking good. That one's for a weekly squeeze, so that one needs some time. Those are for September, though.
Paul, I would say that the jury is still out on this. We'll see what the volume looks like at the end of the day. To me, this is somewhere between a dead cat bounce and just, I get a dead cat oversold bounce and just a continuation of the same thing we've been seeing for 3 months. So I think you can make either argument equally. I mean, you need tech to participate and do better before the market can go anywhere. It's too much of a tech-driven market.
I'll be honest. I have no idea, and we don't need to know. Simple as that. Like, I have no idea if this is just dead cat bounce or it's going to continue, and I don't need to know that to capitalize. And so I think we get in a bad rap trying to guess that, and I just have no desire to guess it. There's no reason to.
Yeah, I mean, if you're a swing trader or more of a longer, investor, active investor, kind of that type of trader, the market I think has been very tough for the last few months. Your leaders aren't leading, but there's that money's getting love in other places, things that were neglected for a long time. Plus, we've seen years of neglect for some of these other names because of the crowded AI trade. And so that kind of unwinding and spreading out doesn't necessarily mean like a bull market's done. But we could also correct here. I mean, we're running out of catalysts. Earnings season hasn't really gone that well across the board. I mean, I guess you could say Apple's was solid. You could say that Meta's was solid, but outside of that, like, earnings haven't really gone that well.
I'm short.
Yeah, exactly. Look at it here. Let me just hide all this. Let me hide everything here and just look at just pure price action. This is the NASDAQ. So some people point back to this day right here, which was October 10th, this Friday. But really from when this day started, we've gone up 4%. We've gone down 5%, and back up 4%, back down. I mean, yes, from high to low, it seems like a lot, but really you're just in a 4% range to each side. And SPY, you're higher, but all you've done is go, 3.8 now, I guess, to the upside, 3.2 to the downside. So just call it a 3.5% range, basically, to either side of this. So obviously this one's working better because it has less tech exposure. It says a lot, but it has less. And then like you look at IWM has actually been doing better. Spreading out, market's spreading out. And then like the Dow, you look at the Dow has just been a freight train. Sam told me that it was just long all the boomer stocks. I mean, look at Honeywell.
Yeah.
Sam, have you looked at these charts? Just look at these real fast. Just look at this. This is Honeywell.
Yeah, no. It's defensives. Defensives
There's
play right
Deere.
now. Yeah.
Caterpillar. Home Depot's coming off the lows. What was the other one? GE's still very strong. It's just old boring out. And then if you go over to like some of these defensive safety stuff, I mean, Coca-Cola just absolutely ripping. Pepsi.
Mm-hmm.
You know what other ones we haven't looked at in a while, Casey?
What's that?
The old Dollar Tree getting interesting.
Oh yeah,
again.
DG
Yes.
a little bit. Oh.
DG actually looks good.
Covering.
DG.
So there's a bunch of names
Yay.
on my safety list over here. Let's see here. Defensives, BMY, Bristol Myers is ripping higher every day. I have Dollar General, Dollar Tree's on here. General Mills isn't doing that good. That's been a nasty downtrend on the line. But Hershey's, look at HSY. Look at Hershey's.
Oh,
KHC looks like it's about to break out of the 100-day moving average right here. This actually looks like a pretty good long. KHC. Coca-Cola, like look at the Coca-Cola chart.
Sorry, I pulled that one
Dude,
Very
Pepsi
good.
and Pepsi.
Yeah.
Buffett looks like he's ready to make a new high.
Leggett and
Boring
Hell
boomer
yeah.
stocks.
McDonald's probably getting tons of
then
applications.
You get bonus
Monster.
points if you do .com bubble boomer stocks like Cisco.
Yeah.
Looks great. IBM.
Tractor Supply Co. is bouncing off the 100-day moving average. That looks like a good long too. That's breaking above the 200-day today as we speak.
What's Lowe's doing?
Those are some
look at
big names.
Lowe's.
Yeah, these are all defensives. These are not tech stocks. That's what's working, right? So that's the reason why I don't think that this bounce is totally real right now because of just all the alphas and defensive stills.
I could have sat in that short.
I just took one. I'm about to cover some more here in just a second. I haven't covered the SPY puts yet. I'm still looking for a little bit more because those are for next Friday. So I need a bigger move, but hopefully this could be the start of a decent pullback closer down to 688, 687 into the close.
What's up, everybody?
Mr. Evan.
How we doing?
Hey.
I went to see the live viewers. We're doing well. If wherever you're watching this, you should give it a like. You're up to KC. You decided to go live on Kick. Interesting.
I'm live on Kick, Twitch, X, YouTube, Discord.
Nah, bro. You got to Kick and Twitch. Ain't it? Twitch is good. Twitch is kind of dying a little. That's Sam's chat. If you're watching this on Sam's channel, you should give it a like. KC, give it a like. Wolf Trading. How's everyone doing?
Cooking.
Code Wolf.
4321 Surfer puts in the chat. Come on, Trump, tweet something.
It seems like he's about to.
GeoGuessr after the close?
Yeah, probably.
Nice.
I don't know if anybody else is down.
Evan the Imposter.
Rizzo,
this head trader, don't you see?
Shoot. I gotta go.
Evan's here. He's got a bounce.
Yeah, I completely forgot I had a meeting. I'll still be on I'll still be on here though.
Need to get your logo on there. Can't just be an S. It can, but it just doesn't look that great. Good afternoon.
I just don't know why. For whatever reason, Restream's not working today, Evan. The Code Wolf stuff isn't showing up on the overlay and the chat. Like if I click on somebody's chat, or if I even do this and put the chat on the screen.
Interesting. I see it, but they don't.
Nobody, they don't see this at all.
Interesting.
At least they can see the chart. So I guess that's
important.
important.
Can see the top left too. You can see the lever chairs.
Yeah, they can see the background. They can't see the overlay, and they can't see what I put up in front. So.
Wolf at the gym goes hard. Shout out Joe.
Yeah.
My portfolio is up 4.4% today. The long-term port down 4% still in the week.
Wow. What's year to date?
Year to date, you want to guess?
Down 5.
I don't know if this update is this correct. It looks like it. Yeah, basically. Yeah, no, now it is. It was 4.8. Now it's 4.95.
Dang.
If I would have just still been Apple guy, it maybe look a little different.
I'm up 2% on my equity portfolio today. XLE is screaming. Golly, I haven't even looked at gold or silver in a while.
Don't mind me, BMNR up 16%.
I'm up 3.25% on the long term.
Hey, Frank told you to buy some yesterday.
I know. I would have. BMNR.
Oh yeah, did you all right?
You could have doubled. You could have doubled your position and probably almost got out a little bit today.
Let me see.
What was it in after hours? Like overnight? I know in overnight I think it was even worse. 16 in after hours at 16. I think it went down here. I think it was like down here. No, maybe it bounced before after hours closed. Maybe that was the low.
Did you get out of your 10K trade?
Yeah. Well, I'm still holding a little bit of Bitcoin, just runners, but I took off almost everything. It's a pretty good call, huh?
Indeed. I got starters going. Walmart 320, 120, and 125 puts.
Oh,
fuck this.
Yeah, M's about to boot you straight off the stream for saying that. He didn't talk to me for a week last time I was in those puts.
It's time.
Let's ride. Broncos country.
He's closing the stream. All right, guys.
Fun. Yeah, great. Yeah. Well, it was a good day until that bullshit just happened.
Great day, guys. Appreciate you all. Love you.
I'm just kidding. God. I rebuke you. I rebuke you. I'm gonna go put on my Walmart. I'm gonna put on my Walmart vest.
Jesus Lord, he's rebuke you.
You saw my
You've gone
post. Walmart.
against the Lord.
No, Walmart no longer the largest company in the world by revenue.
Almost, it's almost catching Berkshire Hathaway on market cap though.
I would think BMR would be a little more, even more up, but 16%.
When does no BMR is a turd
It is a turd.
because you just get out. Yeah, I think what Amazon will pass Walmart and then Walmart will pass them back in 2 weeks when they report. That's how it's worked the last 3 quarters, right?
No, I think this was confirmed for the year. Walmart already reported, I think, actually.
Evan,
Walmart's earnings are in 2
Intro.
weeks, right?
Evan, as a long-term investor, you need to buy things when they're, blood's in the streets.
I did some buying, but I think BM&R might just be a bad decision. I put into Hood and IBIT instead.
Are you out of it?
There you go. No, I like that.
I'm still holding, but like
The treasury companies are a massive flop. Massive flop.
I actually put in a good bit of money into Hood yesterday, and then a little bit of IBIT.
Well, you got earnings Tuesday, right?
Yeah,
I think they could surprise on the upside. I'm hoping for you.
I think Hood can get back into the 90s from here pretty
95.
easily.
Yeah.
What's up, Will?
What's up? I think we go back to that breakdown, like 95 to like 90, maybe 100, 98 or whatever. That's possible.
You get back over 85, I think you traverse to 90, 92 pretty quick. And then you find out, if you get continuation back to that, breakdown at 100.
Yep.
105 is your 200 day. I don't know. You need the market to cooperate. So you need crypto to not keep dying because it's a source of revenue for them.
Yep. I sold my Bitcoin futures at 70. Trimmed some at 68, and then I trimmed the rest at 70.
I took big trums across the board. The trade I took I closed at the actual Bitcoin that I just bought. I took a decent amount of it off.
Yeah. I did dude, I bought those Dow futures last night. I bought the Dow instead of the NASDAQ. Those things are I ran them up to, it was about up. When did I sell them? Let me go back and look. I ran it into the highs like a couple of 100 points and left one runner to figure we'd probably shoot for 50K. Which, here we are. Dow 50,000. Did they hit it or got close, right?
All I saw was Dow, or the Yum broke 50K, and I saw Dow right at it. I think it might have broke it.
49,996 in the cash.
499.94 on the DIA as well, but on YM did break through it.
Yeah, the futures
for the first time ever. Shout out to the boomers.
Shout out
Dude,
to the
boomers having a hell of a 2026. Dow stocks are going crazy and silver. And boomers are getting it.
I mean, look at this big bounce day, and Microsoft can't even get off the floor. And I was just saying this, like, look at Meta, look at Microsoft, look at Google, and look at Amazon. All not
completely rugged.
All not looking good in this big uptape.
Yeah, so I was going through that a while ago, Will, maybe 20, 30 minutes ago. I was like, okay, Meta and Google kind of make sense because they were strong yesterday,
Sure.
and now people are spreading it out. The love, I can kind of give them a pass. Obviously, we know Amazon, just trying to recover from earnings, but that's a separate one. But then I go, okay, why is Microsoft, gap filling on the daily just getting actually beat up, and it's just barely doing anything today?
Yeah, it's on its back. That's what I was thinking. And then I don't the move down in Meta. I mean, I didn't see any news, but I don't love that it fell
I
back
think-
below that into the range. Back into that balance area. Like,
Well, if you looked at the charts yesterday, at the end of the day, you said, okay, Meta and Google were the strongest ones today. So if the market turns, those two will be good. But then when everyone else started flowing into all the other names, it's like people said, oh, I'm in Meta and Google too much from yesterday. Let me spread that out. That's my theory.
sure, yeah, makes sense.
I mean, it's just my theory. I don't have any confirmation. I think anybody can, maybe debate that, but either way. Hood is a full-on one-stop shop credit card checking savings accounts rather than trading. Definitely back. Yeah. Hood relies on crypto for a lot of revenue. That's really why it's getting punished so much. It also ran up too much. I mean, just period. Anything that makes this type of move. I mean, all we did was a golden retrace, to be fair. And that's just from April. Really, it ran up from, way down here. But
Yeah. I would
so
say
you went up
yeah, go ahead.
400%, and then you came back in half of that.
50% retracement.
Come on. What are we doing? Are we just getting rugged across the stream here?
No, I'm here.
We are starting to roll a little bit, by the way.
Did Evan make it to New York?
I am in New
This
York.
is kind of this is the spot I thought we would struggle in. Is this like 69.15, 69.20 SPX?
Yeah, so two things, Will, when you weren't here. Double rejection right at the golden retrace of this move down.
Yep.
That's one piece of this. The second piece of this is the high of NASDAQ was exactly a 2% up day.
Yes.
Exactly. So your algo started firing off.
Yeah, and you look at the SPX as far as the trend line on that daily, we broke back, above the 50 and ran right into the 21 period on the daily, which was basically right here is where we are, 69.11. Went a little bit over it, but we have that high from was it back in October? I think it was that 69.20 high that was there, and you got a lot of congestion at that area, and then you got the two moving averages, so kind of makes sense we kind of get stuck between the 9 and the 21 today. So you broke the 50, you're back into the wedge, but the NASDAQ is still a little bit further out.
All right, so you guys probably can't see this, but I see you in the X chat. It says the monk. You guys did not participate in 12% Bitcoin move. Are you really traders? Does anybody want to tell them? Check the timestamps. Here's my personal page. Check the timestamps. This is Central Time.
I don't trade Bitcoin. I invest in Bitcoin. I trade NQ.
I traded Bitcoin last night. I don't invest in Bitcoin.
For 61. So what I said you last night?
I'm not a trader with Bitcoin. You're right. I'm not.
I caught the exact. Who are you talking to?
The monk.
Oh.
I'm not a trader when it comes to Bitcoin. You're 100% right. Yeah. Only when it comes to
I use Bitcoin as a trading instrument. Just another product I'm trading for me.
Yeah.
Timestamp. Go check my page, Monk.
Timestamps, baby.
It was like 8 o'clock because I commented on it right after you did it.
It was 6:21 when I sent that, and that was right after I bought. It was I filled at 60,300.
I was at 61,125.
Yeah, by the time I got to my other accounts, it was at 61,200 when I filled in my other account. There's a 21 for the first time since 11 o'clock. I think it's more of a rollover look If the first touch to the 21, you probably get another push. It's probably still a little bit too early. What is it, 2:15? I just think you close right at the 50-day on SPX. That's my prediction. You're going to close
They definitely could.
right back at this 50-day.
I'm about to cover a little bit more. 5-minute squeeze has been leaning downside. This previous candle just closed red for the first time. So I'm looking for the little floosh on this next one real quick.
Developing point of control is down at 6,900 in ES.
Yeah.
So little extended into those highs from Wednesday. You got equal highs to your left right at 31, 32, 33, right in that area, up to 35. And I believe on Wednesday that was the point of control, I think, was at 35. Or I'm sorry, Tuesday. Tuesday the point of control was 35. So it makes sense to pause right here.
How do you mark that golden retrace? Oh, pretty easy. Go to
Give
your
me a
SPX.
squeeze. Squeeze candle. Let's go. Come
Love
on. All right, covering.
Jack could have stayed short from 108 earlier.
Build.
Yeah, I bought the 69.15, 6,900 put spread.
Shawty get down. Good Lord.
Yeah.
Dude, I've been selling call spreads like a maniac today.
Shawty got a moment on a return.
Yeah. Sorry, I want to answer this. Go to your SPX chart. Let me just hide the indicators. And I'll just delete this. Just to make it easy. Go to your recent high. Go to your recent low. And you zoom in right there. And look at this. This is a 30-minute candle right there.
Rugged.
That's why I put the you shall not pass here. And I put the
You shall not pass.
you shall not pass.
What is it? Wait, what is this in the chat? I've been holding
That's what
Bitcoin
my computer
since
says every time I fail an
2013.
evo.
Trim some around 100K. We'll look to reload. Like,
There you go.
if you've been holding Bitcoin since 2013, why even reload? Like, if I don't know how many coins you got, but I'd just be out. I wouldn't be trading nothing. I'd be selling all my Bitcoin. I'd be just living my life.
Yeah, take some. I mean, if you want to leave some exposure there, like 1% or 2% or something, like I don't feel like that's not a terrible thing.
Like,
but I just don't. I mean, I guess some people believe in, like, they really believe in Bitcoin. I just can't get convinced.
Listen,
now,
if I was up 10, 15 million, 20 million, I'd be adios. I don't care what.
Oh, I'd be, yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, you're set. Just enjoy your life. It's too short.
Oh, you know what? I haven't looked at Ondas.
Come on, Vest. Come on down a little bit, Mo.
Come on.
You're really not even moving.
No, it's very slow.
I just think it's too early to really roll over yet. Or if it does, it's just going to come visit this again, and then you get a second shot.
I think every day trade I took so far today, all green, every single one.
Hell yeah.
No. Man, I did a lot of scalping and eat.
So I said earlier, like, you've got to get down into the 21, come back up, and like start rejecting back up here, and then that's the normal price action you see.
Well, they closed it red underneath the 21, but it's a doji. I don't like that. I mean, I do, but I don't at the same time. It's not the most confident looking candle that I wanted to see.
Yeah, the other thing is the internals have been very strong today. I mean, look, Voldy's still making new highs. Voldy Q just straight buying all day long. So, like, going back to that, like, dead cat bounce thing earlier, I mean, this is all buying.
Your 15-minute 9 right here.
Or shorts,
Look at-
it's shorts covering, but it's buying too.
Yeah, they're buying everything else, but the software names have really gotten no bid. I mean, outside of, look at IGV; it's barely bounced. ServiceNow can't get off the floor. Salesforce can't get off the floor. Software
Where
names
Q's
still-
is rejecting right now, though, on your 30-minute and 1 hour. I mean, this is the spot.
Hey, look at your 30-minute candles on SPX.
Yeah.
same size bodies.
Yesterday's
Wait.
price action, all right there. The midpoint right near 609 on Q's. It's just slow right now for the rejection. This little move down.
You gotta get through the 21. It's too strong.
Second candle on the squeeze indicator is red, which is good.
I'm tempted
Google's
to just
rolling.
I want to buy some downside, maybe like a little put spread again. Where is let's look at what's the point of control on SPY. So you're in 689.51 is the 200 period on the hourly. We just wicked right into it and stalled. It's also a point of control from back on Friday, January 23rd.
SPX is also 69.10. That's what needs to break. That was the big spot from earlier. We SR flipped it at 115 and 125 again. We just back tested it again. If they bounce it, hold it, and push it up higher and still consolidate it, it's about to print a Morningstar reversal off of it. Then
Look right here, Casey.
we can go.
You see my
We
screen?
can push upside. The squeeze will curl. We'll go to 69.25 potentially.
Look at my screen. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
First touch of the 21 after a long time.
Yup.
What do we say? 9
Hey.
times out of 10, it's a buy.
I don't know. I tried
Now
that.
you
the
need
other
a
day.
rejection.
I got
in
smoked.
that. Yeah, but that day
There was a lot of other moving parts. For that.
Dow Jones just hit 50,000 for the first time. That's what I'm hearing.
Dow Jones.
That was different because that was like it wasn't that much time.
You know if Rizzo had a good day? Because I saw 20 hours. He said 20 hours ago. He said I'm buying this.
Me and Rizzo were along at the same spot last night.
Oh, so
And
he's
you know
having
what
a
kind of
good
size
day.
he uses.
Yeah,
he
he's having a
said
good day.
he said if it hit 870, he was buying a plane ticket.
Let's go.
And I think he went to sleep at like 7 a.m. my time, like 5 a.m. his time.
So he's still
Does he still sleep?
Yeah, he's still asleep. He probably he wakes up and he'll look at his phone or whatever and then go back to sleep.
How can he have
He's
that much
insane. I don't
size on
understand.
and go to sleep?
I don't
I
get
don't know.
this.
He
Yeah,
was-
I could
he's-
never.
he's up like-
He's an animal.
Well, he has stops in. If
Yeah,
it goes back down,
if he's in profit, like, what are you worried about?
well, he doesn't even really do stops in profit that often until it makes a big enough move. But like,
I guess if he's got
if you're
stops,
up
then he's
six,
fine,
if you're up 6 figures, you go to sleep just fine.
Oh,
Trust me, Rizzo is sleep. He sleeps just fine up 6 figures. I don't think there's any problem.
McDonald's looks good. It's at all-time highs.
So if you get a third rejection here and then it comes back down, I would think about it. But you kind of are looking at a little flag scenario here, possibly.
If we don't reject right here and instantly retrace that previous candle, I think we're going to see 69.25 on SPX.
If we go any higher, then it should come back down. SPX, yeah, 22 is your extension, and 25 I remember is the 20-day. So if you get through the 17 or whatever. Yeah,
Grinding through it.
Day to J is right. The reason he's so good is and he can sleep is because he has total emotional
There it is,
control.
Dow
Yeah.
50K. Just tagged it. That could be just
Could be the
a
top.
whole level. 50.014. So watch that. Could just be a. You never know. Just a whole number. So. Up 1,100 points in the Dow. Wow. New all-time highs. Yeah, the Dow. I mean, look at the Dow breaking out to new all-time highs. Transports on fire again. Like, look at these transports. It looks like SanDisk.
Yeah, JB Hunt, great Arkansas company. Works closely with Walmart.
Lines. Yeah, Walmart.
JB Hunt.
Walmart over 130
manages,
now.
Yeah, obviously.
Not surprised.
Walmart's going to 600.
What's STX?
Seagate Technologies.
God. Huge call flow on that this morning.
I want to figure out where they're going to try to close this thing. You think they wick it back down and go to the 50? That's a ways away, but
APLD.
I think the internals are too strong unless we just see some big sell side size come in. They might try to close the Dow right at 50.
Someone bought $1.54 million worth of APLD, $35 calls for February 20th. Around $3. They bought 5,000 contracts.
Like beginning of 2025, if you bought Walmart instead of Bitcoin, you're it's off the chart. You can't even see it.
Jeez, look at Walmart. It's crazy.
Like beginning of 2025, if you bought Bitcoin, you're down 27%. You bought Walmart, you're up 45%.
Let's go.
Chart of the day.
I mean, the Russell, for those asking about the Russell, IWM, RUT, I mean, it looks good.
IWM came right back to the resistance spot, though. You see all these highs right here at 65?
You got to take out, you need almost, I'd probably wait for some type of retracement, and then I'd want to get in it over 265, like on a strong day.
Yeah. But
like
just in general, you have two really nice reactions to the 50-day in an uptrend. That to me, that looks really good. Obviously, you had this kind of topping. You had this kind of little topping-ish thing. You came back down, came down into some interesting areas, especially if you go back and look left. Came down into some interesting areas, an uptrending 50-day, and a huge reaction to it. I like it. And look at like your biggest component of IWM, by the way. Well, you know which one it is.
KRE.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look at
Regionals
KRE.
continue to be super strong. And obviously the other one is credit bounce back today in the high yield space. Some of the private equity firms did not, like Blackstone, Doji Candle really didn't do much. I think as we go forward, we just got to keep an eye on those names and watch the credit space. And I think that'll give us direction. If we see junk bonds on high yield continue to go higher from here, probably risk back on, maybe SPX back to the all-time highs. But we got a little bit more wood to chop with the NASDAQ.
Whoopsies. Call premium still rising on the Qs. About SPX. What's falling off a little bit on the SPX?
Yeah, I mean, the NDX is still not even close to the 9 either. So
you might be able to see one more pop.
Yeah, maybe up to 25.
Yeah, that was for like full overextension, me saying tippy top of the day earlier was 69.25 on SPX. I don't think there's a chance in hell we break and close and stay above that today. But if we do push up above 690 on
Netflix
SPY,
headline.
oh, Netflix.
Netflix headline: Monopoly something with the DOJ.
Probably not good. Look at that! Look at this tail on the daily for Apple. If it closes down, Casey, what does that look like to you?
I'm in it. I'm in it.
Me too.
I sent the alert a little bit ago.
I did this. I saw the same thing. I bought the 275.
Dude, this
70.
Well, this is my 4th trade on Apple, and I'm just using profits every single time because took Apple before earnings and then swung the 280s through earnings and then took the Iron Condor, and now we're on trade number 4 now for downside. This is just profits rolling into more profits.
Yeah, maybe we can get. I did the 270. 275, 270 call spread, or I'm sorry, put spread for next week.
Nice.
So little toppy. You got some wicks on the 4 hours, and we've made a huge run. It's a little bit overbought here.
You're gonna short. This is your best risk reward spot on ES and SPX.
The only way I'll trim my Apple intraday
look at the squeeze,
is
Casey. The squeeze is still, my squeeze is still there, and it's still trying to roll down.
For SPY, it has not flipped bullet or bearish. Only QQQ did. SPY is still holding.
I have to really zoom in. QQQs is bearish. SPYs is like almost dead even.
Yep.
What do you do with Amazon now at this point? I mean, you broke so many levels. The gap is down at 194. What did we hit over in the overnight session?
196.
So pretty close, but we didn't get there. The top of the wick is 194.73. The body is down at like 193.45 ish.
Sorry, Sam. I was peeing when you came back.
It's all right. I'm looking at the Apple chart over here. Ooh, that's a nasty fade all day.
Apple looks bad. Apple looks like a short and a half. Especially because you got an hour left. This daily candle is going to look bad.
Yep. If we open up Monday and take out today's low, that's your entry.
Well, I grabbed some Apple puts for next week.
Damn, he's living life on the edge.
You could sell it. I think you could sell like the 290 calls as well, up at that high. Target the high. You do a little risk reversal there.
I really want to try these 5900s again right now. They're not bad.
69.
Which ones?
59.
6900s.
Oh, 69.
I thought you said the 59s. I go, that's.
I think he did. I was like, oh, what?
It's a ways.
69 hundos. They're what, $1.60 right now? I don't know. Usually it's about 20 minutes into power hour before you really get the like the profit taking rollover.
Yeah, I'm looking SPX 69.10
right
floor,
there.
69.25 ceiling. SPYs is 687 floor, 690 ceiling. QQQ is 606 floor, and 609 ceiling. So we are pinned.
We're going through the floor
on all three. Hence why, since we've entered into the zone at 1250, it's now been almost 2 hours and we've done nothing but go from the same spot, high and low. Just 2 hours of chop.
If they think they even want to try to take it back towards the 50, you could probably buy the 95s.
No huge decent weird candle on Netflix, but no continuation on anything.
Yeah, that didn't even do
Just-
anything.
Look at, I mean, the Nasdaq just starts to look like we're stuck here at the highs
Tessie's
from
still pushing.
Thursday.
Tessie looks good. Rocket Lab is still cruising, making new highs. Even Rivian's going for $15. I mean, a lot of things are wrong right now.
A lot of things are wrong.
Look at Google. Google's rolling over here a little bit. Just took out the 21 on the 5-minute chart.
All right, Tesla's at the highs. Nvidia's still rejecting the same spot.
Okay, hear
Netflix,
me
who
out.
knows?
The only person I think that might be interested in something here is probably Will. App Lovin', APP. What do you think?
Ooh, that could be interesting.
Look at that daily.
Yeah, I mean, you need a breakout. You got to get over 410, right? 410, and then yeah, that could run up into that gap.
They
Could.
have
Or
earnings
could-
next week.
That scares me. That's the only thing.
Could where it's sitting at right now? Could you go so far out of the money and collect some premium on both sides potentially? Or
Or run into these previous highs at 417.
I mean, I'd try to do it. Let me look at the. I got to look at the options chain. Hold on. I mean, you could do like a. I mean, this is where I love ratio spreads for this kind of thing, like into the 50.
yeah,
Or I'm sorry, I'm on the hourly. Excuse me. Let me go to the daily.
I'm thinking the
the
same
end of the
thing about
9.
ratio.
So I would do like into that low. So where the gap is, the
You
bottom of the
see-
gap.
Casey, look at your squeeze on QQQ and SPY.
I know it's edging. Spies.
There's so
Spy
much
has
juice in those.
two out of
Holy
3 signals right now for the setup. There's 2 out of the 3 signals. You have
QQQ's about to fire.
Spy has been moving up since 11. Your RSI has been moving down, bearish divergence since noon, moving higher. The MACD's been bearish. Now you have a squeeze moving to the downside. It's at the 0 line. It has not flipped red yet, though. So we have 2 out of 3. If I can get number 3, I feel a lot more confident getting and staying in the puts.
There's so much
690.
There's so much juice in app loving. Here, you want to this? You could do this, Casey. I mean, it's got risk to the upside, but obviously, let's say you crush earnings and they fill the gap. You could do like you could buy the 430s and then sell the 470s twice, so a 1x2. That gives you a little bit of cushion over the 9. You know what I mean? Which is at 455. That's $15.
Yeah.
And then you know what you can put that trade on for? $35. That's it.
Oh.
35 cents. Because if you're buying the 430, it's $22, and you sell 2 of the 470s. Obviously, your risk is to the upside, right? Your naked calls, but I mean, you could even go further. You could go to like the 500s or 485s, and it's only $5. That's how I would trade it. You could go all the way up to the 485s, and you're only spending $5.
I like that.
You're right against that low at 489.
Shout out a new channel member, Travis. Let's go. Welcome to the Wolf Pack.
Let's go, baby. Shout out Travis.
Trev!
Big W's in the chat. Let's go.
XOM new all-time high.
But nobody can see the chat on the screen today.
You got rugged.
Does TTD finally stop going down here? All right. Where's
Casey,
my
I just
squeeze?
posted it in the Discord. Like you could do it like that's only.
Ooh, Casey.
Dude, I look for this setup every day, guys. Come on. Can we flip the squeeze freaking red on SPY so the candle comes in? Come on. We are 66.6% of the way there. Come on. Just let it go.
Let it fail.
Oh, we needed some True Social.
Dude, if we catch the intraday squeeze downside, if it flips bearish, and I get paid on these, I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna post it and tell everyone. I hope you learned from last week because we did it again today.
And Q looks weaker.
Yes, Q's is definitely weaker.
You're starting to lose the 21 here.
21. Can you
All right.
do something for me?
I got a position. I got the March 20 Tractor Supply Co. $55 calls at the money.
Tractor Supply. I didn't even know.
Hell yeah, boy.
Yeah, I went
Hey.
for it. That chart looks amazing.
Tractor
Look at that chart.
Supply.
Oh,
I don't think I've
beautiful
ever
chart.
traded
Let's go.
options on Tractor Supply.
Let's
That's a
go,
beautiful
boy.
chart, right?
There's another headline on Netflix.
Oh, Jesus, Netflix.
U.S. Department of Justice is investigating the merger probe. Whether Netflix
That's
is engaged
it's
in-
the same headline.
same one. Okay,
Yeah.
That was the same one.
I don't know if I
Ooh,
read it all out though. I appreciate you.
Equal highs.
Let's go, Travis. Appreciate you tuning in. If you're here for the first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So we broke 3,500 subscribers today.
Let's
Give
go.
the stream a like, help boost us out there.
Let's go. All right, I'm gonna throw some. Yesterday was a good day, so
go.
we got to throw some memberships in the old
Let it go.
Wolfpack program.
Don't give a shit anymore.
Membership
Let it
Fridays.
go. Let it go.
Membership Fridays. I've never traded Tractor Supply.
girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop
Squeeze
it
in.
low, girl. Drop it
Gifting.
low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl.
We gotta stop making
Let's
higher
hit him
lows.
with the dubs.
Oh, well, we got a super chat here too. I see Nate. Let's go, Nate. W's.
Whoa, gifting.
Oh, and then we got 10
as well?
memberships just
Oh,
Blow it
yeah.
up.
Let's go, Will.
Here we go.
Shout out Nate, the $10 super chat.
I wish I had the
bringing
horn. I'd hit the
subs or
horn, dude. I'd hit the
memberships.
horn. I don't have it.
Don't worry. Hey, I'll have it soon.
Oh, we need a soundboard.
Don't
So
worry.
bad.
I'm getting one. It's in the works, guys. It's in the works. Promise.
Love in the chat. Let's go.
Oh my goodness. If they close this candle in a minute and 30 seconds underneath the 21, I'm full porting my account short. I swear to God.
Look at Google. Google's getting smacked a bit here.
It's gonna flip it and close it red on the squeeze. Come
Put
on.
my thing down, flipping and reverse it.
Dude,
Again, worst
close
case scenario, it does this for another hour, and then as it goes red, it comes back up, and then we go and just
And then
squeeze
you do it again.
higher. That's
No, and
worst
then you
case
hit it again.
scenario, but
Rug it right to 68.85.
I am fairly confident that does not happen. Based on the hourly chart on QQQ, I do not see that happening into end of day.
Just a little pullback. Come on, 6,900.
That's a crazy pullback.
What's
That'd be
that?
awesome though. That'd be awesome though. I'd love that.
85?
20,
Yeah, well, that'd
That's
be
not
great.
far
25
at all.
seconds.
Dude,
25
that's not far.
seconds.
That's where the 50 is, guys. The 50's at 85, so
That's
that's not that.
Buckle up.
we'll still close up 1% on the day if we do that. Like
Come
easily.
on. Close it underneath in
Just
red.
keep rolling, rolling, rolling.
Everybody hit.
Five,
Just come on.
4,
I
Hit the
gotta bounce,
bid.
guys.
2.
Yeah.
Short and short and
What?
Talk to you
short.
guys later.
Next candle needs to be an instant death.